I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun one. This is a Halloween tutorial on a UV light skeleton. What I'm doing right now is just carving out my eyes, the mouth, and the nose. I'm pretty much just doing this so when I lay down the paint, I will have a foundation, and I'm just using a crayon from Spirit to do this. And this is just gonna help me pretty much outline everything. I'm using Suva Beauty's Hydra FX liners, and this is in the shade Scrunchy, and I'm pretty much just buffing this into my skin, making sure everything is nice and even. These liners, you just need to make sure you get the right consistency because you don't want to put too much water but not enough. The next shade I'm going in with is Acid Trip, and I'm doing the exact same thing, just buffing it into the skin. You guys, I absolutely love these liners. They're so much fun. I love that they're UV light activated. Are perfect for my rave people. Speaking of dancing, I'm going in with Dance Party, and I'm mostly focusing this shade more towards the center of my face, just in my inner cheek area and my nose as well. I also recommend practicing with these liners just because if you pack it on too much, you can cause cracking, and we don't want that. The last shade I'm going in with is Fanny Pack, and I'm just packing this on my jawline and working it into the chin as well. For some fun, I'm taking all the different shades and creating lines above my lip area just to create kind of a stitches look, and also to make my mouth look a little bit more gruesome. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just taking this all the way up to my nose area. Moving on to the teeth, I'm taking Dance Party and using a flat brush and just patting it against my lip and working this all the way up into my outer cheek area. It's okay, you can take your time with this step, but also don't get too hard on yourself if you mess up, because a lot of people don't have perfect teeth anyways, so it makes it look a little bit more realistic. I'm going in with some black shading with some black paint that I also got from Spirit. I'm just shading the mouth area, going in between the teeth as well, and just making it look more teeth-like. I'm also going to shade a little bit above my upper and lower lip area to create a wider mouth. I'm also curious to know your guys' Halloween plans. Please let me know what you guys are doing, just because it is quarantine and everybody's celebrating a little differently this year. And this is what she looks like. So now I'm moving on to the nose area, and I'm taking the same black paint and pretty much just filling in the lines that I had created, and then I also go in with the Dance Party shade with a smaller brush and make it so it lays down in between the lines. Now I'm just laying down the same black paint that I had done before, and I'm just going all over the eye area. And I also didn't show you guys on camera, but I did set it with a black eyeshadow, so you just want to make sure you do that so there is no creasing involved. Now, to make me look more skeletal, I'm just frowning and creating little lines, and then I'm also going the top of my head just around my face to create these little lines so it looks more like a skull. Taking a wand and just dipping into Scrunchy and pretty much just putting this on my lashes, so then when the UV light hits it, it's gonna glow up and look dope. Also, I decided to use some face jewels. I also painted these, so then when the UV light does hit them, they will glow in the dark as well. With Dance Party, I'm just going above the teeth area and creating a root-like feel so then it looks a little bit more realistic. For some bones, I'm going in with Dance Party and just creating little squares down my neck and also creating some collarbone. And then I'm also using different kinds of color to put on the edges of the bones just to give it something extra. I also decided to go in with some dots because why not? Then I'm going in with some highlighter from Wet n Wild and then setting it with some ABH's Dewy Set Setting Spray. Look is now complete. I added a wig, and this is what she looks like without the light, and I hope you guys have a happy and safe Halloween. I will see you guys in my next one.
And the girls with their nails done now. And girls with their nails done. And the girls with their nails done.